Okay. So, hey everyone, welcome back to another video today from Sam Fun Times. I've got a fidget cube video. They're not a fidget roller or anything, I don't know what they are, but we've got a fidget cube. It's red. It came in one of my other fidget spinners. So, we got one here. The buttons are red and stuff. Pretend it's like a dice. Right, what number am I going to roll? I rolled 5! Wait, I rolled 4 because it landed like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so fidget cubes are very popular around the world. People do like them as much as loads of people love fidget cubes, the same as they love fidget spinners. And I've got, don't worry, because in a few days or tomorrow or something, I'm gonna upload a video with all my new fidget spinners on it. I've got like 5 coming, ordering with me. So, like 5 fidget spinners, 6 maybe, because. Right. Oh my gosh. So, you see these red buttons? This one, this one, and this one clicks. You have to press this one down really hard to make it click. There's 5, but for some reason, that one. Yeah, that one and that one don't click. That's weird. But they're really cool. They're like red. But just listen to the tune. Wait. Oh, by the way, everyone, thank you for 5 subscribers as well, because 5 subscribers, I mean, the one that done 3, 4, 5 and 2 and 1, you guys are just awesome. And the guys that done comments to me, the guy that said, can I follow on Instagram? I'm sorry, I can't do that, because I do have Instagram, but I can't follow you because of I couldn't find your account. So yeah. And here's a little toggle stick. You can pull it, you can twist it, and it goes round and round and round. My cute little doggy. And it just does this. It goes click clack, click clock, clickety clack. When I get 500 subscribers, yeah, I'm never going to put ads on my videos because they're just annoying ads. Get rid of them. I might do videos. If I get 10 subscribers, I might carry on doing the ASMR after the 5th part. Okay, so here is a little. Oh, let's get out of the sun. No one likes the sun. Here is a little spinny thing. You can do a race. Put your finger back here. Make sure it doesn't catch up to you. It caught up to me. Wow, it got to the end. That's such a good thing. It spins and spins. It's like, what if you don't have a fidget spinner and you want one so bad, then you're not allowed one, and you've just got this? You can spin it round and round and round, can't you? It's like a fidget spinner. And then you've got this. Click, clack, click, clock. It's like a switch. Do you like pressing switches when you come to the right place? Did you know there's some spinner cubes spinner fidget. Wow. Spinner cubes. Well, there's sides here you have to hold, and you spin it and it goes around faster than a fidget spinner. So, click, clack, clock. And here we have the dice. Well, you can, it's like, it goes round and round and round to like infinity. It never stops. So does this ball. This silver ball. Let's just put you somewhere where you are. There. Look, that goes round and round. You can choose which 3 you want. Or you can do 2 or 3. So, yeah, with these black things. And then you get a ball that goes round and round and round. But not just that. It clicks! It clicks! My dog is so sad for some reason. And here we have my favourite bit. It looks like nothing, does it? It looks like nothing. But you look closely. You scratch it. Or you rub it. And it feels really nice. Saying that, the fidget spinner sounds so nice when it's up close. Yeah, it does. But it sounds like wind, of course. I love fidget cubes. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. I'm sorry it's been so long since the last video. It's been like 3 days, isn't it? I just need to say as well, thank you for all the support on my videos, because I've just started. I've been going a month, that's really it, and you guys have you've been amazing to me. I mean, wow, thank you very much. So, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow I'm going to do the Story of Games Part 5. Bye.